Wednesday, March 9th. This is Kalin in the Weather Center. Thank you for joining me. Of course, we have that warm front that's moving through the region, not completely through yet. You can see where the divide is between the warmer air that's now in place and still the colder conditions, and that's pretty much directly through the southwest of New Brunswick and through central parts of Nova Scotia. Now, because we have this divide, the precipitation we're still seeing is a bit of a mix. Of course, to the north of that warm front, still coming down as a mixture of some freezing rain and some snow. A lot of that, though, is clearing off towards the east, though a little bit more in the way of some patchy freezing rain certainly expected as you head up into the northeast of New Brunswick, potentially Prince Edward Island, northeastern parts of Nova Scotia as we go through this afternoon and this evening. So here's that warm front starting to edge its way a little bit further into the Maritimes. It is going to continue to move up towards the northeast this afternoon and this evening, putting us over to the southwest winds, and temperatures will continue to rise. There'll be a round of showers that follows for most of the Maritimes tonight, bringing in some rainfall amounts of 2 to 5 millimeters. One possible exception, though, in the far northeast of New Brunswick, where temperatures will remain a little bit colder. This would be from areas from Campbellton across Bathurst, the Acadian Peninsula. There may be a further period of freezing rain, so you need to really be careful about some icy conditions. Not only there, but currently much of the northeastern half of New Brunswick. Been getting some pictures sent in through Twitter. Definitely looks like a little bit of a glaze in some areas. So our forecast model moving forward. Biggest thing to point out here as we head through this evening and tonight, there's that round of showers moving through, but notice the temperatures, Campbellton, Bathurst, parts of the Acadian Peninsula still near or even a degree or two below freezing, and that's why those freezing rain warnings remain in place. For the rest of the region, in these showers, as they clear through into the early morning hours of Thursday, we're looking at rainfall amounts of 2 to 5 millimeters. Those showers will be gone by Thursday morning. Thursday itself is going to be mostly cloudy with occasional breaks of sunshine through the late morning hours and the early afternoon. There's going to be some increasing cloudiness late Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, and the start of some rain Thursday evening and Thursday night in the southwest of Nova Scotia. And that's with our next weather system that does look like it will be bringing in some accumulating snow for the southwest of New Brunswick and much of the southwestern half of Nova Scotia. I'm working on that next system now. I'll have updates on the evening news tonight and on my webcast tomorrow.